What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, you already know we're back Animal Company. I don't think I've done Animal Company in a little bit actually. So I don't think I did a video on the lava map, or if I did, but the next update for Animal Company, I will definitely hop on right away, straight as I can. So honestly, let's go ahead and get into the video, boys. Let's go. So, in this video, we're doing another challenge. So, yes, I got the new blocky pickaxe. So, we're only gonna have a blocky pickaxe, a backpack, and a glow stick thingy. Sorry, I'm really slow. Okay, but the challenge are, if I touch the lava, the video ends. So, if I don't touch lava, I could not touch lava for 5 hours, and the video will be gone for 5 hours. Man, will that take long to upload, but let's go. Remember, I'm 2 more subscribers away from live streaming, so just, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, subscribe right now, bruh. I will be living, doing Minecraft, playing games, doing everything I can on live. Just, you already know. So let's get into the video. Okay, we already have our other stuff. Not gonna lie, it was a W that they made this. Now, we really don't want to touch, the lava, so I'm gonna put my pickaxe like, oh, if we touch the lava and the video ended like right there, then that's gonna be like a short video. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. I swear we almost touched it, but let's, okay, this part it's gonna be a little hard. Oh god, we touched the lava, but it didn't count, so thank goodness it didn't count, or else it would have been a short video. So, oh god, that doesn't count. I'm not gonna add that. I know I said if I touch lava, but technically we really didn't touch lava. That's just a thing that has been in the game for years. Well, this update, ever since this update came out, that's been a thing. So I'm not going to count that because that's done that to me before and I have no crapping clue why, but oh, okay. And please don't want to say, oh, you're cheating, you touched lava. I will go up to the location and find you. Also, say hi, Zopo. I guess he's not here anymore. But Zopo's on a call with me in, oh god, in like the app that we do call on. Oh, I didn't grab a grappler. Oh, it's kind of good because the rules of the challenge is don't touch lava, and actually it's kind of good that we don't have a grappler, because grappler, I feel like, in my opinion, it's harder. So let's go ahead and oh, this is scary because I don't want this video to be too long or too short. I don't want to get that one. Subscribe if we should get that one. Okay. Also, comment if you think me and Koopa should do more PC gaming, cause I got a lot of views from those videos. So, oh god, I did not mean to do that. Oh crap. Oh god. Okay, thank god this goes up. Thank god. Also, type in the comment section, everyone, if you like my new song or thing. not really a song. It's just a relaxing, calm that you can listen to if you're like sad or just don't feel right, you know. Okay, I'm not even gonna try, but yeah. Ah! This is hard ass. Right. Yeah. Oh, if I fell, I was about to crash out. Okay. Let's go. Please. 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 Okay, I didn't. Did I? Hopefully I didn't show my location. Or if I show my location, I will put like a picture up, but I need. Oh, okay. Are we cooking, chat? Oh God, that's what we. Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, all we have to do is pull out our pickaxe, and oh, I love the purple. The purple is just very, very cool. Cause like, you can't just have a normal stone pickaxe. You gotta have a little color in the game. So, okay, this whole video is just gonna be about being over there and trying to get the blocks, bro. I swear. Okay, let's get some research points. Honestly, I think we're gonna go there to get that. But also, if we do touch lava, the video will end, and I gotta drop my bag in a public lobby, then leave so I don't get the monies. So I have to drop my blocky pickaxe, and I have to drop my pickaxe. I mean book bag. Drop every item. Ooh, look, a research point. That's nice. But hopefully it don't stop. I mean, I already did, but that didn't count because it's a glitch. Get in. Oh no, did I get the backpack glitch? Okay. Thankfully. I guess let me on this point. I don't want to go. No! 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 No way! You're joking me, bro. Oh wait, I can't die. I can't die. I can't die. Yeah, I can't die. I can't die, but okay, I died. This video is just very unreasonable. Oh, come on. Well, since I touched lava, let's go into public code and just give out blocky pickaxes to like random people, but I'm so broke. Everyone come here. Everyone come
I'm gonna do a giveaway, Avery.
Pickaxe.
Finally, bro.
Finally, come here if you want a blocky pickaxe.
Finally, Bob. Let's go do a giveaway.
Take the
Yo,
blocky pickaxes.
Gray, I can dupe that. I can dupe that.
Get the
Gray,
pickaxes.
I'm not kidding.
Get the pickaxes.
I'm not kidding.
Let's go. Grab them, boys. Put them in your
I'm not
stash.
kidding.
Let's go.
I have
VPN.
I have
VPN.
Okay, next item. Radio.
Shut
Oh, wait, I
up.
can't do radios.
Look, I can literally
I'll
duplicate one of my suitcases. I'm not even lying.
But
I can literally do it.
let's go.
Now that kid tried running to steal it. I saw it.
Alright, join me.
Now go somewhere else.
Oh, look at that. It's
Everybody,
a lava.
follow me.
No.
Wait, I'm about to roll.
Yo.
Yo, what's up, man?
Hey. And
Did I kill him? I think I killed him. Oh, my headset died again.
Promise you you'll catch me